Hello friends, this is my second video in this series titled Current Affairs and General Knowledge. Here I'll talk about time zones. We all have realized that when we travel, we get confused about the time, especially when we are flying from one country to another country or even traveling in a large country like Russia or USA or Canada. Suppose we have traveled for 8 hours, so we expect that time at the destination will be 8 hours hence. For example, suppose I left New Delhi at 8 a.m. and flight was of 8 hours duration. I'll expect time to be 4 p.m. at my place of destination. But when we reach, we don't find it, we find it different. How come? Duration has remained same, and I would have been in my own city, it would have been 4 p.m. by now. What happened? Basically, answer of this question is embedded in our elementary geography classes in the school, where we were told that sun travels from east to west. So the places which are east of us, sun will rise earlier, and places which are west of us, sun will rise later than us. And if we discuss this issue mathematically, every 15 degree of longitude change, that is movement east to west by 15 degree, will cause time to be ahead in the east by 1 hour, or in the west, time to be behind us by 1 hour. So if time at my place is 8 a.m., then if a place is 15 degree east of me, time will be 9 a.m. And if a place is 15 degree west of me, time will be 7 a.m. So thus, if we travel to a place which is 15 degree east of me, when I arrive, I have to add duration of the flight plus 1 hour. So if I left at 8 o'clock, then at that place, if duration of flight was 2 hours, then it will be 8 plus 2 plus 1, that is 11 a.m. Similarly, if I move westward, as the place is behind by 1 hour, because it's 15 degree away from me on the west, as I left at 8, time there will be 7 a.m. And if flight duration was 2 hours, it will be 7 plus 2, 9, not 10 a.m. So this is the phenomena which happens. So is it easy to understand, and what has to be noticed that it does not depend upon the total distance moved. It depends upon the total eastward or westward component of that movement. To understand simply, suppose if I move 15 degree north or 15 degrees south of my place, time will remain same. So a place which is north of me, exact north by 1000 kilometers, and if time at my place is 8 a.m., there also time will be 8 a.m. And if a place 1000 kilometers south of me, there also time will remain 8 a.m. So if I take a flight to go northwards and flight duration is 2 hours, then it will be 8 plus 2, 10 a.m. there, same as my time. And if I travel southwards again time will be 8 plus 2, 10 a.m. So what has to be noticed that change takes place by east to west movement, not north south to south movement. So in countries of size like US, Russia, Canada, China, they are so big that time zones vary because their east west size is quite big. So even if we are in the same country and we have moved 15-degree east or west, time will be different. 15-degree east of me, it will be ahead by 1 hour. 15-degree west of me, it will be behind our time. Thus, we realize this time change or time zones do not depend upon latitudes, that is north south component. They depend only on east west component. It does not have any bearing on geographical boundaries. So, this way, I hope this topic is a bit clearer and is very easy to calculate for every degree movement east to west, a place which is ahead of us or behind us by 15 degree of longitude, time will differ by 1 hour. And a similar concept is of dateline, which is similar to this, but we'll come to that topic a bit later in some other video. If you want to understand the details of this phenomena on more scientific footing, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very pleased to upload it. Okay then friends, see you next week, next Sunday with a new topic on current affairs and general knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. This COVID times, please observe all COVID protocols to live a long and healthy life. Goodbye.